Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete your Messenger account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Messenger app. Click on this three-line icon on the top left and click on the settings icon over here and scroll down and click on account center. Now click on personal details and click on account ownership and control over here. And we can see this option called deactivation or deletion. Simply tap on this and choose your account and click on delete Facebook account and click on continue. Now enter your password and click on continue. Now scroll down and finally click on delete my account over here. So finally your account is deleted. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.